I want to get into this camera. We call this the Gary's making a point camera point of view when I'm really stressed to the audience what's going on. And I want to stress that in these days of not being able to have trade shows, you've got to understand that your audience on a live show isn't the same thing as someone walking by your booth in a trade show. You've got to be more engaging, more captivating. You've got to keep them and hold them on. So how do you hold them on? Here it comes, our do's and don'ts for trade shows. Even better than multiple layouts are multiple guests. So, you know, having a guest on the show just adds so much to the performance, and it allows you to do it. So we've had guests here a bunch of different ways. We've had guests on here where we've had guests who are brought in remotely via Skype. We've had guests that are here standing next to me. We've had guests who have come in via Rendezvous with Wirecast. The thing about a guest and a talk of a show, now this is even if you're doing a trade show, it comes across as being a lot better when you have different people to talk and banter about. So a lot of trade shows will say, you know, I'm the VP of sales and now I'm going to bring on my product manager who's going to talk about the product. You stitch to him with his PowerPoint. Boring snooze fest. How much better would it be if you had some interactivity between the two of you, the VP of sales and the product guy going through his PowerPoint? Break it up, make it a little more interesting, interject a little bit while still giving a great feel to the show. Lets it move better. I know some of our highest rated shows with the most viewers are the ones with guests on them. Plus, I think those shows just come out great. I love having guests on the show, and anytime you can have a live guest, it's just going to pick up your show, make it a little bit better.